I want to show you the next step in our home garden kits from Common Good. So all of you got a Swiss chard seedling that was in a pot like this. Hopefully yours looks like this now too. It's gotten about a week older, which means it's time to give it more soil and room to grow in a larger pot. So you want to take the large pot that we gave you and you want to fill it with your potting soil, and then you can just use your hand to dig a hole. You want to dig a hole as deep as this first pot so that the whole chunk of soil that's with it can go in and be covered up. So we've dug a hole with our hand, and now we want to gently get our plant out of its other pot. So you want to hold it close to the edges of the plant, and so that you don't lose the plant. And then you're going to push a little on the bottom and gently squeeze it a little to release the edges, and it should come out just like this. Now, if you see a lot of roots at the bottom, these little white lines, if you see a lot at the bottom that look all kind of tangled up, you're going to want to sort of squish it and scrunch it around. And it doesn't hurt to do that even if you don't see a lot of roots. Then you're going to make sure you turn it over and put it into your pot. You want to get your this layer where the soil was at the top before to still be at the top, but also be completely covered without covering your plant's stem. So you want to give this a nice push it. You can push it in a little so it gets nice and set up. And that's what you have to do to get your plant in a bigger pot. And then you want to always give it a nice good watering after moving it. And just make sure that now that it's in the bigger pot, it might dry out faster. So you want to keep checking it every day. Touch the top of the soil, see if it feels moist. And if it doesn't, then it needs water. If it still feels moist right on the top, then you can go ahead and wait till tomorrow to give it some more water. All right, thanks, and hope your plants are doing well.